Imagine a world where artificial intelligence create stunning art, write novels, and even generate realistic videos. But who is controlling this creative power? Welcome to B2Q Innovations. Today we are exploring a hot topic, generative AI regulation. Generative AI raises serious questions. How do we ensure AI generated content is trustworthy? What are the risks of AI driven misinformation? Who is accountable for AI generated harm? That's why regulation is crucial. We need guidelines to ensure generative AI benefits humanity. In this video, we will break down the different strategies to regulate generative AI. From technical solutions to governance and education, we will explore it all. Let's dive in. Let's explore the various strategies to regulate generative AI. We will break down five main categories: technical strategies, building safeguards into AI systems; regulatory strategies, laws and policies governing AI development; ethical strategies, ensuring AI aligns with human values; governance strategies, international cooperation and industry standards; education and research strategies, preparing for the AI future. These strategies aren't mutually exclusive, they will often overlap. Think of regulations like a puzzle. Technical strategies provide the foundation, regulatory strategies set the framework, ethical strategies guide decision making, governance strategies ensure global cooperation, education and research fuel continuous improvement. In the next chapters, we will dive deeper into each strategy. First up, let's explore technical strategies for regulating generative AI. These strategies focus on building safeguard into AI system. Digital watermarking, identifying AI generated content. Like a digital fingerprint, watermarking helps detect AI generated content. Content filtering, AI powered algorithms to detect harmful content. Content filtering helps prevent the spread of misinformation. Robustness testing, ensuring AI models resist adversarial attacks. Think of it like stress testing AI systems. Transparency tools, providing insights into AI decision making. Transparency builds trust in AI system. AI detection tools, identifying AI generated content. These tools help fact checkers and journalists verify authenticity. Technical strategies are crucial, but they are just one piece of the puzzle. Now that we have explored technical safeguards, let's examine regulatory strategies for generative AI. Regulatory strategies provide the legal framework for responsible AI development. Data protection laws, ensuring AI training data complies with privacy regulations. Protecting sensitive data is crucial. Intellectual property laws, clarifying ownership and rights for AI generated content. Who owns AI generated art or music? Content moderation policies, establishing guidelines for AI generated content. Platform must balance free speech with responsible content management. Transparency requirements, mandating disclosure of AI generated content. Transparency builds trust. International cooperation, collaborating globally to establish common standard. Unified standards prevent regulatory fragmentation. Regulatory strategies provide a foundation for responsible AI development. Now that we have explored regulatory frameworks, let's dive into ethical strategies for generative AI. Ethical strategies ensures AI align with human values. Value alignment, ensuring AI goals align with human values. AI should promote human well-being. Human oversight, implementing human review processes for AI generated content. Humans must be accountable for AI decisions. Bias mitigation, addressing biases in AI training data and algorithm. AI should not perpetuate or amplify existing biases. Accountability mechanism, establishing accountability for AI generated harm. Who is responsible when AI goes wrong? Transparency and explainability, ensuring AI decision making processes are understandable. We need to know why AI makes certain decisions. Ethical strategies are crucial for trustworthy AI. Now that we have explored ethical considerations, let's examine governance strategies for generative AI. Governance strategies ensure responsible AI development and deployment. International cooperation. Collaborating globally to establish common standard. Unified standard prevent regulatory fragmentation. Industry self-regulation. Encouraging industry-led guidelines and best practices. Industry leaders must take responsibility for AI ethics. Government regulation. Enacting laws and regulations for AI development and use. Governments must balance innovation with public protection. Multi stakeholder forum. Fostering dialogues among experts, policymakers, and civil society. Diverse perspectives ensure well rounded AI governance. AI audit and certification. Establishing independent auditing and certification processes. Third party validation build trust in AI systems. Governance strategies provide the framework for responsible AI development. Now that we have explored governance, let's examine education and research strategies for generative AI. Education and research fuel responsible AI development. AI literacy. Educating the people about AI capabilities and limitations. Everyone should understand AI's potential and risk. AI education and training. Preparing the next generation of AI developers. We need diverse talent to build responsible AI. Research funding. Supporting research into AI ethics, safety, and societal impact. Research informs better AI governance and regulation. Collaborative research. Fostering interdisciplinary collaboration among experts. Diverse perspective drive innovative solutions. Continuous monitoring. Tracking AI advancement and updating regulation. We must stay vigilant to ensure AI benefits humanity. Education and research strategies ensure a bright future for generative AI. We have reached the end of our journey through generative AI regulations. Let's recap. Technical strategies for safer AI, regulatory frameworks for responsible AI, ethical considerations for trustworthy AI, governance strategies for global cooperation, education and research for a brighter AI future. Now it's your turn. Share your thoughts on generative AI regulations. Collaborate with others to drive responsible AI development. Thanks for watching B2Q Innovations. Subscribe for more AI insights and analysis. Also, we will be creating detailed videos on each regulatory strategy. So hit the notification bell to stay updated. Your engagement fuels our mission to educate and innovate. Stay curious, keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next video.